And when it's turned to dust, he will still find himself on a cross. Just like this, that bleeds if you cut it. That is solid as this is solid. In a world as solid as this world is solid. And he continues. And if he passes through another stage called death, he finds himself restored to life. And continuing the journey until he resurrects. There's a vast difference between restoration and resurrection. Resurrection is from above, the birth from above. And restoration is simply the passage through the gate called death to be restored into a similar body, that young, unaccountably new. So I tell you, the pattern is in you. Don't beg for it, it's in you. The perfect pattern. And Jesus Christ is not a man. He is the man. The only man that saves. He's in you as a pattern, the pattern man. And when you least expect it, it's going to erupt like a seed. And then the flowers will take place in the most dramatic form. The flowers being these mystical dramatic acts. The birth, the discovery of the fatherhood of God, the tearing of the curtain of the temple, which is your own body, the ascent of your own being into heaven like a serpent, and then the descent of the dove upon you, smothering you with love and affection, which is the symbol of the Holy Spirit satisfied with the work that he has done. That's the seal of approval. The whole thing unfolds within you.